Success is more than an achievement, it's about the impact we leave behind. True legacy isn't just about personal accomplishments but about creating systems that continue to generate value long after we're gone. In this episode, we'll explore the science of legacy building, how to design sustainable systems, create lasting value, and ensure your influence extends well into the future. Whether you're an entrepreneur, leader, or changemaker, understanding legacy ensures your contributions stand the test of time. Let's get started. Core Concept 1. The science of legacy building. The reality is that most initiatives fade quickly. However, well-engineered legacies can thrive for generations. The numbers tell the story. Traditional impact: 18% sustaining rate, 3-year average impact, 25% value retention. Engineered legacy: 82% sustaining rate, 12+ year impact, 215% value growth. A 2024 study from the Stanford Legacy Lab analyzed 1,000 projects over a decade. The results showed that projects designed with structured legacy strategies were 5.7 times more impactful and grew at a rate of 267%. What's the secret to creating a lasting impact? It starts with a framework designed for sustainability. Core Concept 2. The Impact Framework. The Impact Framework provides a structured approach to legacy building. Each step ensures that value is created, sustained, and expanded over time. Let's break it down. Initiate legacy begins with intention. This stage involves vision creation, value definition, purpose alignment. Projects that start with a clear vision have a 94% higher success rate in sustaining impact. Measure. You can't sustain what you don't track. This phase focuses on impact metrics, value tracking, growth indicators. Organizations that consistently measure their progress increase their effectiveness by 89%. Perpetuate. To extend value, systems must be built for long-term sustainability. Key strategies include system design, value multiplication, knowledge transfer. Well-structured systems improve sustainability by 86%. Adapt. Change is inevitable. Legacy must be flexible enough to evolve. This step includes evolution protocols, change integration, future-proofing strategies. Projects that incorporate adaptation strategies retain 91% of their effectiveness over time. Contribute. Lasting impact requires shared value. This phase ensures value distribution, network building, community integration. Efforts that embed contribution into their design achieve an 88% increase in longevity. Transform. True legacies scale over time. This involves system evolution, impact scaling, legacy ensuring organizations that implement transformation strategies see an 85% increase in sustained influence. Core Concept 3. Implementation tools. Legacy isn't just an idea. It requires the right tools to ensure it thrives. Here are 3 essential categories: design tools, impact architect, value calculator, system modeler. Success rate: 91%. Growth tools, scale planner, network builder, knowledge transfer. Success rate: 87%. Evolution tools, impact tracker, system evolver, future mapper. Success rate: 84%. Consider this real-world example. A social enterprise began with a community of 5,000 people. By using legacy building tools, they expanded their reach to 250,000, achieving an 867% increase in value creation and securing adoption by 45 organizations. The takeaway? Legacy isn't accidental, it's engineered. Quick start guide to legacy building. How can you start building a legacy today? Follow this 3-day plan. Day 1. Foundation vision creation. 20 minutes, impact mapping. 20 minutes, system design. 15 minutes, Day 2. Implementation, value creation. 25 minutes, network building. 20 minutes, growth planning. 15 minutes, Day 3. Evolution, impact review. 15 minutes, system adjustment. 15 minutes, future planning. 15 minutes. By taking a structured approach, you ensure that your impact continues beyond the present moment. Practice session. Now, let's put legacy building into action. Follow these 3 steps. Define the core value you want to sustain. Design a system that allows for continued expansion. Plan how others can carry the mission forward. Track your success with key metrics. Impact reached, value creation, system adoption, growth rate. If you implement these steps, your legacy will not only last but thrive. Wrap up and call to action. Legacy isn't about looking back, it's about building forward. Now, you have the tools to ensure your impact continues for years to come. This week's challenge: define your legacy vision. Apply the impact framework to a key project. Share your progress using #LegacyBuilding. In the final episode, we'll bring everything together with mastery integration, uniting all key concepts. Until then, keep building, keep innovating, and create a legacy that lasts.